The plans of God are always the best. Although we may not always discern them, our plans are not always God's plans. Often our plans fail that God's plans for us may succeed. In the book of Isaiah chapter 55 verse 8, it says, "For my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, saith the Lord. Sapagkat ang aking mga pag-iisip ay hindi ninyo pag-iisip, o ang inyong mga lakad ay aking mga lakad, sabi ng Panginoon." God's plans are perfect. In the book of Jeremiah chapter 29 verse 11, it says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." God canceled your plans to save your life. He sent you in another direction to avoid danger. He fights battles you know nothing about. God's plans are better than yours.